Hi, I'm Pamela and welcome to this video. Today I want to talk to you about a company I signed up with called Multiple Income Funnel. I want to go over some of the things that they offer with you. So I'm going to go into my back office and check that out. So let's get started with that. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Hit subscribe and all on the bell icon so every time I put out a video, you'll get notified. Alright, here we are at the multiple income funnel. Let me go ahead and sign into my back office. And here we are in the back office. This is where you'll come if you sign up. They have contests every month that you can sign up for. There's 4 steps to getting started. As you can see here, you watch this video first. Then set up your income stream, set up your e-wallet, and then get a back office tour, which is a video. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour right now. There's bonus income streams here, which is other platforms you can sign up to promote. There's your links, traffic system, team members, leads that come in, the leaderboard for the contest, the resources, and my business. Today we're going to go into the resources tab and show you what they have to help you in your business. They provide emails that you can send out to your email list, and I think there's 5 or 6, 7, there's 7 emails they provide you with that you can send out to help you get signups. They have web banners. So if you own a blog and you want to run ads on any blog or high traffic websites, here are some banners that you can use. There's these here. Brand new marketing system uses one website to generate multiple commission checks, all on 100% autopilot. You click on that and they watch a video. And then they have this one down here, brand new one system for income streams, 100% autopilot, big ticket commissions built in. You can watch the video. And those are the banners they have for you to use. Social media images. Facebook posts with images grab more attention to posts than those without any images. So feel free to use the images below alongside anything that you would like to say in your post to get your friends and followers to ask you for your MIF link. So there's 4 good images there that you can use on Facebook. I have used them myself. They have a pretty good Facebook post that you can use, but you don't want to just copy and paste this. You want to make it your own, change it up a little bit. This is just an idea, because if you have thousands of people posting the same thing, that's not going to work, and Facebook is going to mark it as spammy. And also they provide training. 7 steps to success with MIF, multiple income funnel. And these are videos, 7 videos. Work on you and your mindset, getting traffic, following up with your leads, promoting on YouTube, Facebook, time management, time blocking, launching, and bonus. They're all very helpful. And then they have the marketing system success training and the weekly MIF training calls. So they have a list here. On Mondays at 5 o'clock they have live training calls, and you can find all of those in this tab. As you can see, every week They have live training. Different people come on, and they talk about different things that you would do in your business to help you. And these go back for well over a year. So there's plenty of training in here. And then every day there's at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, there's training for about an hour. The Marketing System Success Training. Sorry, my computer's a little slow. See, this is things you go over in here. Identifying and harnessing your why. Taking the success pledge. Set your goals, then set your schedule. Get plugged in. Take massive action. Overcoming skepticism. Becoming a product of the product. Telling your story. Beyond money. Purpose-driven goals. Positioning yourself for maximum success. And talk to people. TTP. Talk to people. And help the first person get the next person, and how to deal with negative people. These are things you will learn in the success training. And there's also traffic training. Some videos there to help you with getting traffic. So that's it for today, my friends. Like I said, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit all on the bell icon. So next time I put out a video, you get notified. Thanks, and come back for the next video. We'll have more on multiple income funnel.